Yo, welcome to business card tutorial. Yes, in this tutorial, I'm going to create a business card for a particular brand. So you can also create yours. Now, I believe you already know what function of business card. Yeah, it contains your details of your company, tells people about. It's just like a very short summary or your company details, like contact details. So I hope you enjoyed this video. All right, so today we are going to look at business card. How to create business card using Canva. Alright, so still on the brand House of Pale. I'm going to create it now. So I'll go to my browser. As usual, I'm using a Chrome browser. So I come here and type canva.com. Then alright, so as usual, you know that Canva requires very strong network. So I'm looking for a business card. Alright, there's this business card now. I click on it and then I wait for it to load. So this business card, under this category you might want to try. Alright, so when it's done loading, you select any one you want to use. So we have blank, we have a lot of templates that we can use. So you can pick from the templates the free ones since you're using a free version, or you can start from scratch. So I want to start from scratch to build this business card from scratch. That is blank template. So this is it. Alright, so when it's done loading, it loads the template for me, but I'm not using template, so thank you templates, I don't need you. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is, like I said, I'm creating a blank. I'm starting from scratch. So still on the brand. Now, when it comes to design, you work with colors. So I'm going to, and you work with colors of the logo. If you have a logo, you work with colors of the logo to make your design okay. So I'm going to look at the color of the logo again. I'll come to this plus icon, click on it, and I come to uploads, and then I look for my House of Pale. Now, which one will I use? Okay, if I'm using this, I'm going to use a gold background. So I'm going to use this. Now, the image is being inserted. I want to change the background color, and I want to make use of this gold. Now I need to get exactly what this gold color is. So how will I do that? Now, as you all know, Canva you can take the color from a logo, from an image imported. That's exactly what I want to do. So I will import this logo, good, and then I will change the color with the logo, change the color of the background using the color from the photo colors. So I pick this one. As you can see, it matches it very well. So whichever one I want to use, I can use. I think I like this one. Now I can delete this image, and then I can add another one. I can add the white now. Beautiful. Can we see this? Good. Alright, so this is it. So this is my business card. Still on it. So now I want to do something else. I want to add um a shape, a plain rectangular shape. Good. This is it. So I bring it down here. I need it like this to this extent, and I reduce it. Now the reason for this is I want to put my details, email, phone number, and address. So I change the color to white. Good. So I believe we're going somewhere now, Abby. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is to bring in my text. So I come to text here and I type subheading because I don't want it to be bold. I don't want it to be too big. So I type email and then I put House of Pearl at gmail.com. Alright, bring it down here. As usual, if I don't like the position of the place, I can equally go to my nudge and redirect, or should I say reposition. Alright, I think it's fine now. Alright, so I can come here and use, I want to change the color to this gold. So what I can do now is to change the color of the font to this color. Good. Beautiful, right? Good. Okay, so I want to reduce the font size. I'm going to put in some other things there. So I'm going to make it make it 5. Alright, 5 looks good. 5 looks good. Let me nudge it again. Alright, beautiful. I believe we're getting somewhere now. Alright, so I duplicate this guy and I move it to the center. Let me nudge it. Alright, so this is good. This is good. So let me change this to phone number or WhatsApp. And this is WhatsApp. You can put anything you want to put there. So then I put my phone number +234 802 263 3383. Alright, so I believe we're getting somewhere. Yes, we are. So I want to nudge this a little bit still. So I'm going to put address there. Alright, it's looking good. So I then duplicate this again and then bring it here. Alright, let me quickly put the text first before I think of editing. Address. Number 5, Airport Road, Benin City. Alright, so I want to nudge this a bit. Okay, I think I should remove all these things. I mean, if you see this thing as House of Pearl at gmail.com, you should know that it's email, right? So it doesn't occupy too many space. So let me remove this. If you see this, you know his phone number, so you don't need a genie lamp or anybody to tell you that this is an address. Good. Alright, I think it's beautiful like this. Yeah, so we have our business card. Now this is the front page. So I want to add something else. Let me say I want to add the year it was established. So I'm going to duplicate this. Well, it's not really necessary anyway, but this is it. So I come to the next page. Now this one I want to make it more beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to put I'm going to copy this. Let me duplicate it. As you can see, I'm moving into the next page. Can you see what I did? Click and drag. Beautiful. Okay, so if you're following me, you understand better. Alright, so I'm copying this a bit, copying it again. Okay, so I can resize it. Now what I want to do is, this time around I'll change the color. Okay, let me remove this image. Let me use a gold now. Let me use another image. So I'll make this white. Then let me use a gold image. Uploads. I'll use this one. So you want to easily crop. Instead of going to just double tap on the item and you will crop it easily. So as you can see, my crop is working fine. Alright, so it's done. I resize. And let me put this aside. What I want to do now is I want to just make this thing a very nice business card, beautiful one for that matter. So I get a shape, a rectangle shape, and then I can resize this. So now, even if I do like this, it doesn't really matter. So what concerns is this thing. So let me just leave it this way. I then change the color to okay, let me change this one to gold, and then this one I change this one to white, and I bring this my guy here. Okay, so I want to make this, I want to bring this onto the front. So as you can see, it's going to the back of the image. I want to bring it to the front. I can come here and go to position, and I can say okay. I see what happened. Now it says nothing to bring in front of. But when I bring it here, it's telling me bring forward. And I say yes, bring it forward, please. Can you see that? It's not magic. Yes, it's not magic. So I have House of Pure here. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add I'm going to put email address, phone number, website, and everything. Main details here I'm going to put here now. So I'm going to put in, okay, let me look for an element. Let me look for email or mail. Now this is settings. Now I want to sort by color. Now I want you to sort by this color. Give me this color. So I'm featuring the image. I want it to be on this color. I'm featuring by color. Yeah, that's what I want to say. So let me make it white. Yes, apply filters soon. So I have this. Yes, can you see this? So I reposition it. Alright, so I can bring in another this thing, which is phone. Still white. So I can select which one I want to use. Well, let me look for call. Yes, I think call is better. Call shows me everything I need. Okay, so let me use this one. I believe I should be able to change Okay, this is not a normal call. Let me delete this. Alright, this is better. So I can change the color now to white. Good. I think we're loving this, right? If you don't still like it, you can choose anyone you want. But I don't like this one anyway. Um, Maybe I should go back to farm. Okay. I think this will just do. Yeah, this will do. The aim is passing the message. Phone. The next thing I'm going to put in here is location. So it's going to give me some nice icon. I'll choose this one. No time, no time, no time. So I resize. Alright, I can nudge this one. I don't really like the position of this. Alright, it's fine. And the last thing is the website. So I'll just come here and type websites or internet. So I can either use this or like we said, use website. What I'm looking for is the internet icon. I should have paused this video, but I don't want us to look. I don't want to think that I'm performing some magic. Internet, please give me something. I didn't say anything now. Just use this Wi-Fi. Now, let me use this Wi-Fi. See this beats internet. Okay, so I'm bringing it and I resize it very well. Alright, so we are set now. And next thing you need to do is to put in the text. Now this thing is too big, or you can actually resize it to the way you want it. But this is just a tutorial anyway, so that's why I'm doing it this way. So now I'm going to bring in a text. I'm bringing my text here, and I'm going to type house of Pearl at gmail.com. Alright, so I'll resize this. I'll resize this to like 5 again. And I change the color to white. Alright, hope you're learning something. And I duplicate this guy and bring it down here. Duplicate again. And then I can nudge this one down. Did you notice something? As I duplicated it gave me the same padding, the same spacing, as in the same number of pixel difference from the previous one. So I have this one. This is a phone number, so I'll just put a phone number there. Plus 234802226333833. Sorry, 3383. So this one is the location where I can put 5 airports road. Airport Road, Benin City, Nigeria. Alright, so this is website now, and the website is house, okay, www.houseofpearl.com. Alright, as you can see, it's not well arranged, so let's do that. So I'll just need to nudge it, so I don't want to use the arrow. Let me just use a nudge to reposition the, sorry, to redirect the everything to be aligned with House of Pearl. So I come here and I use this. Alright, you can see that grid line. Can you see this line? Yes, that shows you that everything is aligned. So all this said and done, we have our business card ready. Beautiful, right? Good. Alright, so I'll download each of them, or I download them as zip. Should be the case. So when you're done, you save it. So, okay, I think I'm seeing some tiny mistake here. Alright, so now it's done. I believe you like what I'm saying here. I do love it anyway. Alright, so see you guys in the next tutorial.